Hi folks, it's Jay with American Pirates Capital Group and my new parrot Maurice covering napkin math for investors. This week we're going to talk about the 1% rule. Now I've had plenty of folks reach out and ask about the applicability of the 1% rule in today's investing atmosphere. And personally, I still think it's very advantageous as a starting point when looking at hunting for a new potential investment property. So the 1% rule is really just a very rough estimate of the debt service coverage ratio for potential cash flows coming from an investment property. And the bottom line is your monthly rent or your intended monthly rent needs to be greater than or equal to 1% of the overall property purchase price. Now we have plenty of resources available at our fingertips for absolutely free. I personally like to use rentaldata.org/lookup and ushousingdata.com. And then you can bounce the numbers off of one another, but typically they're dead even. You can plug in the zip code for the potential investment property, and it will give you the fair market rental off of current data for 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, so forth and so on. And then take that number. We're going to round it down. For instance, if the monthly fair market rental is $13.85 for a 3 bedroom, I'll cut off the 5, make it $13.80, and add 2 zeros. Now with that number, I have $138,000. I go to my favorite MLS listing website, Zillow, Redfin, Realtor, it doesn't matter. And then you put that number, $138,000, as the maximum purchase price for that MLS. And what that's going to do is immediately narrow down all search results to what fits the 1% rule for that specific area. Again, this is a starting point, and there are plenty other considerations that go into the math on the back end of it. But for me personally, I like to save time versus sifting through each and every house. As a quick glance, does this or does this not look like a very profitable potential investment? As always, if you guys have any questions, reach out at piratescapital@outlook.com or any other contact information that's listed on our social media, and we'll look forward to the next week. If you have any ideas or any specific topics you like covered, reach out and we'll put something together for you. Signing off.